What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I have another brand new job lead for you guys. This is going to be with you working as a registration analyst, and in this job you can actually make around the salary range here for this position was $55,000 to $65,000 per year. And in addition to this, they had applicable bonuses, benefits offerings, and also you get benefits as well. So really good, higher paying job, I would say, depending on your experience and skill level. But also this job doesn't require you to have a college degree. They just require you to have some sort of experience, and we'll get into that in just a bit. But a really good job opportunity for you guys to apply to if you're looking for a remote work from home job or a full-time remote work from home job as well. And we'll go through this job and some of the benefits in just a bit. But before I get through that job, I just want to cover another position here, or actually just a few. Some of these positions are ones that I covered before on the work from home channel, and I think maybe some of you guys may have missed out on some of these positions. So I just want to quickly cover some positions that I posted within the past 2 days that are still open, that you can still go and apply to and have a chance at landing those jobs. So the first one is going to be a part-time position here, and it's going to be a temporary part-time position. So it's only 4 to 6 hours per day part-time, and it's for a project that's only going to be 4 to 6 weeks, but you can make $20 per hour, and you do not need any experience. The only thing you need to be is native in English. That's all you need, and to be in the US. Also for this position, you do not need to do an interview. You simply need to sign up here on this platform, create a profile, and you may need to do some small assessment, but that's basically it. And you'll be doing like micro tasks here. Again, $20 per hour, 4 to 6 hours per day. And this is a short contract for around 4 to 6 weeks. And there's the option to extend this contract or to start working on other contracts here as well. So this is something that you can look into. This is the data annotator for AI models at RWS, something that I covered on this channel within the past 2 days. That is still open, that you guys can still apply for. Now also, while covering part-time work from home job or a part-time work from home job that you don't need to interview for to land, if you are watching from outside the US or North America, here's some other jobs that I covered before, just in case you somehow missed these job leads. Here's a big one right here. We localize over 100 different jobs in just about every country that you could think of, and also in about every language that you could also think about as well. So, I mean, there are jobs here in even Paraguay, right? A lot of people don't know about this country because it's tucked away in the heart of South America, but they have jobs here for that country as well. So a ton of jobs here. Actually, yesterday I posted a video that had, I think it was over 100 remote work from home jobs that you can land without an interview. So We Localize was on that list, and again, over 100 jobs here at We Localize. And then I covered some other platforms that had jobs as well, like TELUS International, AI community here at TELUS International. Also, we had a daily transcription, also Omni Interactions that has a couple of positions here as well. And there was Appen. So quite a bit in the past 2 days in terms of jobs that you can land without doing an interview. So if you missed out on those videos and you're looking for a job that you can land where you don't have to do a traditional type of interview, all you have to do is some test or some assessment to land that job, then be sure to check out those videos. And also, if you are outside the US or North America, you can apply to those as well. Now, other jobs here that I covered before, a customer success manager position here at FinThrive, and this position is paying no salary here, but we went over to Glassdoor in that video, and this position was paying around $100,000 per year. It was just slightly below that. I think it was around $1,900 per week, plus a ton of benefits here. So another good position to apply to. Also quickly, very quickly, some other positions here, customer success manager, and there was a customer success representative. This one was paying around $70,000 per year. Human resource generalist, data solutions specialist, technical project manager, and these other jobs were paying about six figures, just about $80,000 to $90,000 per year. All of these jobs came with a ton of good benefits: unlimited PTO or flexible PTO, flexible schedule. I mean, get to work whenever you want, paid primary caregiver leave, paid parental bonding leave, 401k with company match. Also, you get holidays off. So a ton of benefits here, some recently covered jobs. So be sure to check out some of my recent videos if you haven't done so, for some other job opportunities that you can apply to if you have the required qualifications, skills, and probably even education as well, because not all these jobs are beginner friendly. Some of these do require you to have a college degree or some experience. Now, let's dive into the job lead for today. So today's job lead is coming out of this company. It's Comply, and they're currently seeking a registration analyst. And this company actually gives some really good benefits here. So in the US, employees have access to unlimited PTO, which is really great. You can take time off whenever you need it. Paid bonding leave, which is great as well. And also, it's 100% remote. You can work wherever you want. And you also get a remote work from home stipend. So that would be good for getting you set up with equipment if you need so, or updating equipment. If you guys are looking for work from home equipment that you can use that won't break the bank, I've left the link down below to my Amazon page with equipment that I personally use myself. That is, I'd say, inexpensive, but still good quality. So be sure to check those out if you're looking for any work from home equipment. Now, for this job, the registration analyst will be responsible for providing assistance on a variety of registration and regulatory matters for financial services firm customers. And if we go through the list of responsibilities here, just to give you guys an idea of what you'll be doing in this job: assist investment advisors with the state and SEC registration process, gather all material information regarding investment advisors' business model, accurately draft and file all necessary documents related to the firm's registration, understand regulatory requirements for states or state jurisdiction and SEC, communicate with state and SEC regulators on behalf of their clients during the jurisdiction's registration review process, make timely and accurate revisions to all appropriate documents and filings, also process applicants or applications for new investment advisor firms, review disciplinary matters affecting customers, coordinate with Comply's internal compliance experts, client service representatives, and other departments as well, attend team meetings and provide regular reporting to supervisor, and assist your new registration team with various other tasks as assigned. Now, what they're looking for here, they're looking for someone that is skilled in problem solving and analytical thinking, someone that has the ability to multitask and perform complex responsibilities across multiple projects. Also, excellent interpersonal skills, including managing relationships with stakeholders at all levels. Proficient in Microsoft Office Suite, so this could be Excel, Word, Outlook. Also, ideally Salesforce. Ability to work effectively and flexibly with a client service-oriented collaborative environment, and exceptional organizational and time management skills. Now, for this position, the salary range here is $55,000 to $65,000 per year. So that is what you can expect to make here as a registration analyst at Comply. So with that covered, if you are interested in this opportunity, you can go ahead and apply. I will leave the link down below. And also, with that said, be sure to go over to my second channel, the Work From Home channel. That is where you'll find some of the jobs that I previously mentioned that were covered just about a day to 2 days ago. So that's this channel right here, the Work From Home channel. And on this channel, I am posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I can pay online. So if you look at some of my recent videos here, no calls, work from home, entry-level tech jobs paying $36 per hour. Really great opportunity here. Also make $24 per hour watching videos online. Easy work from home jobs. This one was also available in multiple countries. And this other job here, over 100 jobs that will pay you over $1,300 per week worldwide, working from home. So really great remote work from home job opportunities here. And again, this is where I'm posting all the high paying remote work from home and job opportunities that I can find online. So if you never want to miss out on another high paying remote work from home job, whether it's part-time, full-time, flexible schedule, overnight. Be sure to check out this channel. Be sure to subscribe, and when you do subscribe, more importantly, turn on all notifications, because I don't find these high-paying jobs every single day, but whenever I do, I'll post them here. So if you don't have the notifications on, it seems as if YouTube will not send out notifications. So that way you won't miss when I post a new high-paying job lead. You'll always be one of the first to come across it. You'll always be able to get your application in before the job listings are pulled, which seems to be happening a lot as well. Now, with that said, be sure to also check out the pro resume templates right here. Professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. This means that your resume will make it to a hiring manager or to a real human for review, because it won't be discarded by the system if your resume isn't already ATS compliant. So 3 resume templates are included here. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions on how to customize them depending on the type of job that you're applying for. And the instructions are really just to get you to customize the template while everything still remains ATS compliant. That way you can land as many interviews as possible and in turn get as many job offers as possible. Also, you get 3 matching cover letter templates here with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters, interview follow-ups. Not a lot of people use these, but if you want to follow up with an interview, here are some templates that you can use to do so. They come with instructions as well, just in case you've never done anything like this before. Everything here is fully customizable, and I created these templates using Google Docs because I know some people use Windows and some people use a MacBook, and some people may, be using their smartphone or their tablet to do this. So you can actually edit or customize these templates on any device by using Google Docs, and Google Docs is also free, so you don't need to pay for Microsoft Office or any other type of software. So everything is really flexible, very easy, and I also included a screen recording showing you guys exactly how to go about editing these templates in just about 5 minutes. So if you know that your resume needs work or you want a better ATS optimized resume, this resource is here. Link is down below. So with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.